Step 1 is having the golf ball into the spoon and dropping it into the first tube. And it rolls through the clear tube, around the corner, into the venting. Then it comes out into this pathway, then runs into the dominoes. The dominoes hits into the car.
After the dominoes hits the truck, it rolls down the railroad, and the truck knocks into the book, and it hits this domino and it flips so that the golf ball rolls down this path into the cup. So then after the golf ball rolls into this cup, it goes down the pulley, which pulls the cup down, and the paper clips go up, and then it knocks over the tape, which knocks over this cup that had the dog food in, and it fed the dog.
Conservation of energy is a principle of physics that states energy cannot be created or destroyed. The same amount of energy remains constant no matter what changes the system undergoes. This can be seen when the car hits the golf ball that eventually rolls into the cup. No energy is created or destroyed from the transfer. The energy is moved to one form to another. Conservation of momentum states that the total momentum is the same throughout the system only if there is no external forces acting on the system. This applies to the venting because it turns from one side of the wall to the other with nothing in the way. The momentum is constant throughout.
Newton's first law states that an object in motion stays in motion, while an object in rest stays at rest, unless acted upon an unbalanced force. This is clearly evident through our Rube Goldberg machine in the car. It is at rest until the moving dominoes hit it. It transfers its force and puts the car in motion. Newton's second law states that force and acceleration are directly proportional and that acceleration and mass are inversely proportional to each other. The force is demonstrated in the equation F equals ma. Newton's second law is shown when the force of the golf ball from the spoon equals the mass of the ball times the acceleration of the foam ramp. Newton's third law directly states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is shown with the dominoes. When each domino falls, it hits the next, making an equal and opposite reaction, then causing them to bump into the car.